how to set sleep reminders on TikTok PC. And okay guys, here in your PC screen, okay, go to TikTok application or go to tiktok.com on search bar. Okay, search this, and after that, here in TikTok homepage, on left side, go to profile. Here in profile, you can see here the gear icon. Okay, you can click this. Here in TikTok settings on left side, you can see here the screen time. Okay, you can go to screen time, and here in screen time section, you can see here the sleep reminders. And the sleep reminders is off. So if you want to set this, okay, you'll have to do is click the button on the right side. And here in sleep reminders, you can see the switch button on the right side of this set up sleep reminders. So you can turn on this by switching on this button on the right side. And now you can set the sleep reminders. So for my example, I set into 2:30 a.m. And after you set this, okay, you'll have to do is click done button to save these settings. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set sleep reminders on TikTok PC. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.